Alright guys, so I'm out here testing out the new generator for our mobile detailing operation, D's Detailing Services, D'sDetailingServices.com, Facebook, Instagram, and I think it's pretty quiet for a generator. Here's with the vacuum on. With the Flex 3401. Running at full blast. Now I think I'm gonna overload it, but I'm gonna try running the vacuum and the buffer at the same time. If it accomplishes that, then this thing is beast mode, but if not, I'll make it work. Well, it did run the buffer and the vacuum at the same time, but the overload was blinking. So I think it's gonna be good enough for what I need, for sure. So that's my review on the Black Max BMi2100. It's got 1700 running watts and 2100 starting watts, and I guarantee you it has every bit of what it says. It's got a Honda engine in it, and I got this sucker on sale for $299 at Sam's Club, marked down from $1,000. So go pick one up if you got a local Sam's Club.